Got 30 seconds.
From the other side. 15 seconds. Push her, Paisley. Push her. Chin down. Work. Get it out. Get it out.
Finish out working.
Got it. Time. Good job.
I'll take that. Good.
Good work. Very good. Good job. We've done this a million times. Kick, top, she did defend. Kick, top, she did defend. So now, tick, top, leg raise, hip to hip. This hand's high, this is going across the chest. My leg is doing the work. My leg is doing the work. Elbow to your back, elbow to your back pocket. That's the sweep. She has no base, she has nowhere to go, she cannot push back. So once you hit that leg raise, step in, and hit. Be very careful, start slowing with your partner, and just get the mechanics. Stepping in, touching, going back out, stepping in, and super light, and then continue. 1, 2, 3, go! Andre! Time. Very good. So we're teeping left side. If you hear me say rear teep, this is what I'm referring to. But just to make it easy, peace of mind, teep, push kick. So if I say teep, I'm referring to the lead leg, push kick, rear leg. They're both teeps, but to avoid confusion, teep, push kick. So we teeped, we stepped in our V, and we hit the body kick. We step in our V. So when we kick, in the V. When we punch, which is what we're doing next, we're gonna step straight down. So it's gonna be a tick-tock teep. I'm gonna step straight down. If I have to, I'll make an adjustment. Right hand, left hook, and then low kick, okay? So let's try it. That's simple again. Notice her little stutter step, that's very good. She's fought before, she understands range and distance. She knows she cannot hit me effectively from here. She's gonna break at the hip, and she's gonna be really off balance and susceptible to get cracked, okay? So one last time, tick tock, step forward, right, left, body kick there, low kick, whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, go! Pretty awesome, man. We have like all walks of life here. She is. You're a freshman, Alexia?
Yeah.
So freshman in high school. She's working with an attorney. Yeah. So if she was an attorney, she'd be fighting. And she is gonna probably go to the UFC if she keeps training. But yeah, she started a couple of years ago, and it's just really amazing to see. And one thing, I mean, like I told you guys, I graduated from UH. I wasn't Rice caliber. But either way, man, I believe in education and respecting your parents. And like, I kind of do a no pass, no play here. If they're being disrespectful rather to mom and dad, if they're not respecting their teachers or their elders, or if they're not, producing in school, I need to see at a minimum they're not training, and they're definitely not fighting. So it's really, she was never a bad kid, she's just a kid. So it really gave her something to work towards in regards to just, her everyday life. So martial arts can be really good for that. Ah, good. All right, so let's go to defense. Very good. Very good. Be careful. Now, you're going to go, he's the sweetest kid, he goes very hard. Yeah. So just be careful, guys, because of Samantha, like, yeah, I'm hanging on. Yeah, hang on.
All right, my name is Jacob Berry. I'm originally from a town outside of Corpus Christi, Texas called Calallen. Yeah, so I've been training for about 5 years now.
So like on that team, there's Bob, right? And he coaches you?
He's the head coach.
He's the head coach.
Mm-hmm.
Can you talk a little bit about like how he's helped you, or like why you chose this gym in particular?
Oh, he's helped me with almost everything. He has helped me from a coaching perspective, just from like technique, fighting, yada yada, and also just as like another father figure to me. Like he has let me move in with them to kind of get on my feet. Coming here, whenever I'd come up for breaks in school, he'd let me stay at their house. He's always mentored me a whole lot, and he establishes. It's like a business or anything. The management and leadership the employees and staff will reflect how they're managed and led. And the gym and me and the team and stuff like that, it's the same idea through Crew Bob is it's the hard work, the dedication, being good, honest, having integrity and such. But he's been a tremendous help to me in all aspects of not just in fighting, but outside of that also. I've been training kind of in and out of this gym with Crew Bob Perez for past 3.5 years or so. The last couple of years, or last year or so, when I was finishing my undergrad, I'd come up during spring break, winter break, summer, and train while I was not in class, and then I'd go back down and for the semesters to go to school.
Do you think fighting makes you a violent person, or a violent? I don't know. I'm kind of curious. Do you think like going into MMA training to like hurt people, does that affect how you think when you're not in the gym? Like when you see someone bump into you?
I think it makes you a lot nicer. It's made me a lot nicer. I know that. It's made me less angry, a lot more friendly and kind to people, a lot more considerate of people, less anxious, less spastic. It's actually done quite the opposite for me personally. I think, and I've seen that with most people. A lot of fighters you meet will be the nicest people you ever talk to. You know, I mean, there are assholes in every group, you know, but a lot of times when you talk to fighters and such, they're nice, kind, welcoming people. And I know for me, it's definitely made me less angry, less aggressive, less hostile, less combative, you know.